Hi, I am Enoch Reddington, and I welcome you to Wisdom Infinity. On this channel, I'll be taking you on a journey of wealth, riches, financial freedom, and health, and many more. I shall guide you on how to be rich, wealthy, financially free, and healthy, and many more. I shall give a simple equation on how to acquire wealth, riches, freedom, financial freedom, health, and many more. A simple steps that everyone can take to become rich, wealthy, as soon as possible, and make as much money as you want to make right now. So my dear friends, it's time you take a bold move and a bold choice by first subscribing to my channel, Wisdom Infinity. And I'll be posting videos of how you can make money, how you can be wealthy, can be rich, can change your life for good and never be the same. So subscribe now and click the bell icon beside it so that whenever I post a video, you'll be the first to get it and you will never miss out. And you'll find ways of making much more money, of becoming rich, of becoming wealthy,